Hello children, let's start our today's lesson with this wonderful thought. Honesty is the best policy. Children, you should just explain what happened rather than trying to cover your tracks. It is always better to be truthful and honest. Honesty is the best policy. In last class, you have learned from poetry various shapes like round, that is spear shape, cylinder and cone. Now today we will see next part. Next topic is let's handle geometric shapes. Now see here, there are different things, different objects are there. See this jewelry box, then this is brick and this is matchbox. Such shape is called as cuboid or it is also called as parallelepiped. CUBOID, cuboid, or PARALLELEPIPED, parallelepiped. Now let's see how to draw this shape. First, you have to draw a horizontal line. Then after that, starting from this point, draw a vertical line covering 4 boxes. Then next is again you have to draw such a horizontal line which matches with this first line. And next you have to draw this line. So in this way you will get one rectangle here. Then next step is below that rectangle, starting from this point, again you have to draw a horizontal line, then vertical line, then horizontal line, again vertical line. You will get another rectangle. In this way you will get two rectangles. This is first rectangle and this is second rectangle. Now we have to draw a cuboid. So for that we have to join these points of a rectangle. So let's start it. So first we will join these 2 points. This is first line segment. Then join these 2 points. Then join these 2 points. And the last is join these 2 points. So in this way we get cuboid. This is a figure of cuboid. This figure is called as cuboid. Now let's see how many edges, how many corners and how many faces are there in this figure. See this figure, this is a cuboid. Now first we will see how many edges are there. Children, edge means border. Edge means border or side. And edge is a line segment joining the boundary. Edge is a line segment joining the boundary. Now just let's count the edges of this cuboid. Starting from this point to this another point. This is first edge. This is first edge. This is second edge. Then this is third edge and this is fourth edge. Likewise, this is fifth edge, sixth edge, seventh edge and eighth edge. Some more edges are there. 9, 10, 11, 12. So, a cuboid has 12 edges. EDGES, edges. Edges means side. Edges means side. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many edges are there in a cuboid? A cuboid has 12 edges. Means a cuboid has 12 sides. Edges means sides. Next, let's see how many corners are there. Now, what is mean by corner? A corner is a place where two sides or edges meet. See, this is first side and this is second side. These two sides meet at this point. So, this point is called as corner. What is mean by corner? Corner is a place where two sides meet. This is first side, this is another side. These two sides meet at this point. So, this is corner. In the similar way, if we consider this line segment, so this is first side and this is second side, and this point joining these two sides, this point is called as corners. So let's count how many corners are there in a cuboid. This is first corner, this is second, this is third corner, and this is fourth corner. Fifth corner, sixth corner, seventh corner, and eighth corner. How many corners are there? A cuboid has 8 corners. A cuboid has 8 corners. Let's count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. A cuboid has 8 corners. Now next is, let's see how many faces are there. Now children, face means flat surface in this figure. See, this is a figure of cuboid. What is meant by face? Face means a flat surface. Now see, this is cuboid. This colored side is left side face. This is first face. This is second face, third face, fourth face, fifth face and sixth face. So cuboid has how many faces? A cuboid has 6 faces. Cuboid has 6 faces. Let's see once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. A cuboid has 6 faces. Now let's see the shape of these faces. See this face. What is the shape of this face? This face is in rectangular shape. Now see this face. The shape of this is again a rectangle. In this way, all the faces of a cuboid are in rectangular shape. So each face of a cuboid is a rectangle. Now let's revise once again. So this is cuboid. This is cuboid. Now the number of edges of cuboid: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So cuboid has 12 edges. Edge means side. Cuboid has 12 side. Now let's see number of corners. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cuboid has 8 corners. And the number of faces: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So cuboid has 6 faces. One at the left, one at the right, one at the top, one at the bottom, one at the front and one at the back. So cuboid has total 6 faces. In this way, this is a figure of cuboid. Cuboid has 12 edges, cuboid has 8 corners, and cuboid has 6 faces. And remember that each face of a cuboid is a rectangle. The shape of face of a cuboid is rectangle. So children, we will stop here now. In next period, we will see some another geometric shapes. Till then, practice it, draw it properly. Thank you.